Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Waken Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on BitPay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BitPay website, from which you can tap on the login button at the top right corner to proceed into the login portal. Once you are inside the login portal, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, you will find the Forgot Password option underneath the Submit button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address and click on the Reset Password button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So log into your email account and you will find an email from BitPay. Just open up this email and you will find the Change Password button. Go ahead and click on this. And now you will be allowed to reset your password. Now, once you're within the password reset page, simply type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the reset button. And now, once your password has successfully been reset, you can use your new password along with your email address to log into your BitPay account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on BitPay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.